What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to resize video clips and images in Premiere Pro. So here I have Premiere Pro opened and I have a sequence or project and I have two clips here on my timeline. Let's say I want to change the size or resize the clip on the top here. As you know, the clip on the top is the one that shows. The clip beneath it doesn't show. So I'll choose this clip, I'll click on it, make sure it's selected, and then go to the Effect Controls panel. If you don't see it, go to Windows, and then make sure to click on Effect Controls to show, and then go to the Scale option here. If I want the clip to be smaller, I'll just lower this value, so just click and drag to the left to lower the value. As you can see, the clip now is smaller, and the clip beneath it is now showing as the background. Now what if I want only to increase like the width or the height of the video? As you can see, when I change the size, the video itself scales up and down but maintains its form or maintains its ratio. Now let's click on this to reset the parameters and make it 100% again. If I only want to change the width or the height, let's uncheck uniform scale here. Now it gives me two separate options, one scale height and the other is scale width. Now let's say I want to make the video narrower while maintaining the same height. So what I'll do is go to the scale width here and lower the value, so drag to the left. As you can see, the width changed, it's now much narrower, but it maintains the same height.